I'm Dr. Angie Stoehr, and this is Feminine Curiosities. I'm going to start a set of small videos or short videos over a topic that I have quite a bit of interest in, and this is non-monogamy. A lot of people out there would probably call these people swingers, but that is a term that's very nebulous and has certain connotations attached. So it's not super helpful when you're in the medical community trying to differentiate certain things. So we have developed, and people that are living non-monogamy lifestyle have developed a set of terms that make a little bit more sense. And I'm going to go through some of those and give you guys definitions or general definitions of these things. So what is non-monogamy? I'm sure you've heard of monogamous partners where a couple only is with each other concurrently. So non-monogamy is not that. It's when a person chooses to engage with sexual contact with more than one person concurrently. Now, that can mean that they're having intercourse with two people in the same setting. It could also be that they're having a sexual relationship with a primary partner and then a non-primary partner. It could also be what teenagers like to call serial monogamy, where they have intercourse with multiple people over a span of time, but they may go back and say hello to some of the old partners in between. That's technically not monogamy. That would be serial monogamy, not even really. It's technically non-monogamy. So let me give a couple of quick definitions in this video, and then I'll get into more detail about other definitions in further ones. So non-monogamy can be separated as a big umbrella term into two big other umbrella terms. One of them is ethical non-monogamy and non-ethical non-monogamy. So ethical non-monogamy, which would be when a partner and everybody in the sphere of that sexual contact is aware that they're engaging in sexual contact with other people. So it could be a couple who has a third person involved. It could be two couples that are with each other, whether that's at the same time, separate rooms, not separate rooms. It could also be people who go to, say, clubs where they engage in sexual contact with multiple other people in that setting, or to parties, that sort of thing. Ethical non-monogamy means that everybody in that person's sphere is understanding and approving of them having sexual contact with others. So there are situations where, say, a husband and a wife, and the wife is per se bisexual. The husband wants to stay monogamous with the wife, but understands that she would like to have contact with other vagina owners, and he will allow her to do so. That would be considered ethical non-monogamy. It could also be that the husband in that group wants to have sexual contact with somebody else, and the wife approves of that. As long as everybody within that sphere is aware that sexual contact is happening and is approving thereof, it is ethical. Non-ethical non-monogamy would be what we in the general United States would consider cheating. So a husband and a wife pair, the husband wants to have sex with other people. He does not tell his wife, she is unaware, and he is engaging in sexual activity with someone else. Vice versa, it could be a couple where the wife is the one who's cheating. She's bisexual, whether or not the husband knows that, and she chooses to have intercourse or sexual contact of some nature with another vagina owner. That would be considered non-ethical non-monogamy. So in ethical non-monogamy, everyone that's involved is aware that that partner is with other people. Non-ethical non-monogamy, not everybody is aware. So there's the two big umbrella terms, and I'm going to go into much more detail about certain types of terms that fall underneath those.